HeroTech's MAGNUS Mark II is a versatile tool designed for shooting and retracting spider wire thread. It offers dual functionality with interchangeable thread and watch cartridges. The watch cartridge features a unique LED display for telling time. Constructed with aircraft-grade aluminium and precision machining, it's built to last. Priced at just $427, the MAGNUS Mark II is a handy and durable tool for various applications. The SmartRope Rookie Coral reimagines the classic jump rope with modern innovation. This smart jump rope syncs seamlessly with the SmartRope app, offering real-time tracking and personalized workouts. Adjustable to suit users of all sizes, it features interval training settings for various fitness goals. The app's rewarding system keeps you motivated on your fitness journey. With ergonomic design and precise jump tracking, it enhances your cardio workout. Priced at an affordable $40, it's a fitness companion that respects your time and goals. GoChess is a groundbreaking chess set that marries the traditional game with cutting-edge AI technology. Designed for players of all levels, it introduces a robotic mechanism beneath its elegant surface. This patient opponent moves pieces automatically in response to your moves, and color-coded lights provide guidance. GoChess isn't just about competition, it's a tool for learning and improvement. Whether you're a novice or an experienced grandmaster, GoChess offers a unique opportunity to enhance your skills. Embrace the future of chess for just $200. The Flux keyboard seamlessly blends the tactile experience of a mechanical keyboard with the adaptability of a screen. It takes productivity to new heights, allowing you to tailor your keyboard experience to match the demands of any software you use. Customizable shortcuts can adapt to 27 popular applications, effortlessly accommodating your workflow. The maglev switches of the Flux keyboard redefine typing with magnetic suspension using rare earth magnets, offering 97% transparency and an ultra-low friction experience. This keyboard reimagines the possibilities of keyboard technology, offering unparalleled software adaptability, innovative maglev switches, instant customization, and module integration, all for the price of $450. The BCone pool alarm prioritizes pool safety with a simple 3-part system. It includes a device in the pool, one at home, and a smartphone app. The floating pool unit is easy to install and covers a large area, protecting children and pets. BCone sends alerts to your phone and integrates with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It knows when to stay quiet during swimming and sounds a loud alarm if someone falls into the pool accidentally. Priced at $500, it's a versatile and reliable pool safety solution. Stay refreshed on the go with the JISULIFE portable handheld fan. The movement required to operate hand fans will just make you sweaty all over again. The JISULIFE fan is a game changer, equipped with a powerful 3-phase brushless motor with a 15,000 RPM rotation for a wind speed of up to 9. It cools for 3 to 15 hours on a single charge, perfect for outdoor adventures or a day at the beach. The high-definition digital display shows wind speed and battery power, so you're always in the know. Fast charging takes as little as 1.5 hours, and it's compact at just 6 inches, weighing about half a pound. It's your cooling companion for hiking, parks, and hot days. Get yours using the links in the description below, and use our exclusive code TechJoint40 for an incredible 40% off for a very limited time only. VeRelief Prime is a handheld device designed to reduce anxiety and stress using innovative technology. It employs non-invasive vagus nerve stimulation with hydrogel earbud electrodes. Golfers can experience a 36% reduction in state anxiety in just 10 minutes, while patients with PTSD and panic disorder saw a 24% decrease after a single treatment. With 5 modes and breath pacer options, it aids in nervous system recovery and is portable for use in various environments. Priced at $400, it offers an effective way to manage anxiety and stress. Amazon ASTRO is a household robot equipped with Alexa capabilities, designed for home monitoring and assistance. It can provide live shows of your home when you're away, check specific areas, and send activity alerts through the ASTRO app. When you're home, ASTRO can follow you, play music or shows, and assist with calls, reminders, alarms, and timers set with Alexa. It's adept at navigating your home and adapting to changes in its surroundings. ASTRO can also send push notifications through the Alexa app for specific sounds like glass breaking or smoke alarms. Priced at $1,600, it's a sophisticated home assistant with advanced features. The BEAVERLAB Darwin M2 microscope aims to provide a comfortable observation experience for all users, including children who can easily adjust focus within seconds. The IPS screen displays microscopic details clearly, reducing eye and neck strain. What sets the Darwin M2 apart is its unique detachable design, allowing the microscope tube to be separated effortlessly from its stand base. Equipped with a high-quality 1080p CMOS sensor, it captures stunning visuals in full HD resolution. The microscope's quick projection function enables instant projection on smartphones or larger displays. All this can be yours for about $200. The Furbulous Box represents a modern approach to the conventional cat litter box. It employs auto-packing and sealing technology, securely sealing pet waste in an easy-to-dispose-of bag. This intelligent litter box goes further by preventing the growth of harmful aflatoxin mold, prioritizing your cat's health. With a 7-sensor protection system, anti-pinch mechanism, and integrated lifeguard system, it ensures your cat's safety. For $500, it offers more than just a litter box. It's a comprehensive solution for cat care. The Royole RoWrite 2 revolutionizes note-taking by seamlessly integrating pen and paper with modern technology. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, this smart notebook synchronizes your handwritten notes in real time with your smartphone. Beyond note-taking, the RoWrite app offers a range of features, including page synchronization, interval training, image reports, customizable backgrounds, and handwriting recognition. It's a bridge between the traditional and digital worlds, enhancing the way you capture and organize your ideas. All of this is available for just $290. The Raven Titanium Utility Folding Knife is the epitome of duration and precision. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it's rust-proof and built to withstand the test of time, surpassing plastic or steel alternatives. What sets the Raven apart is its remarkable 0.5-second opening mechanism, ensuring quick and easy access. This folding knife maintains its swift operation even with extended use, combining the reliability of a pocket knife with utility. With options in sandblasted, stone-washed, and black finishes, the Raven embodies strength, style, and functionality, all for just $99.